Before you fly, head over to the CASA website and check out all the rules and regulations with regard to droning. The Can I Fly There app is available for iOS and Android and can be used to check if it's safe to fly. On what seemed like a good day for flying, there are gusts and it has become quite windy all of a sudden.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Despite the strong winds, the DJI Spark seems to be coping quite well.
Home point has been updated. Please
One of
check
the
it on
selling
the map.
points of this drone is all the user-friendly automated features, and this here is a demonstration of the tap to fly. It's a shame, but it's been a bit too windy today, and now I have this dog that wants to chase the drone, so I think that I'll call it a day. So it's a new day, and I've promised my daughter I'd show her the Spark, and even let her take it for a fly. But first of all, we're going to show you active track in motion. Go on, Bridge.
Wherever you want. Go.
Even though Bridge hasn't flown a drone before, she's got the drone running in gesture mode without too many problems.
Go home.
You go home.
We had a lot of fun together today, but it was brief, as whilst the battery is touted to last for up to 16 minutes, the reality is it's warning of low battery after about 10 to 11 minutes of flying. As you can see, the 1080p camera produces sharp, clean video, but I'm going to need more practice before I can get those lovely smooth pans. As a total novice, I love that the DJI Spark is so portable and easy to use, and it's also a lot of fun. So for me, I think it has to be a 5 stars. So you might be wondering what all the beeping was in parts of this video. The DJI Spark has front collision detectors as well as sensors on the base for landing. Till next time. You made it to the end. Thanks for sticking with me. If you liked the review, show me a little love in the comments section below.